Hello everyone, welcome to Florence Academy. Knowledge is the key that turns dreams into reality. Let's take one step closer today. In today's video, we are going to learn about Japanese demonstratives, location expressions in simple and easy way. Let's begin and learn together. Benkyo shimasho. Alright, let's look at the demonstratives. Koko, Soko, Asoko, and Kochira. They are used to point out the places and this is used to represent direction. Okay. Coco means her, that is near speaker. Her, I am the speaker, so I can say Coco means near me. Soko, near listener. Her, you are the listener, so I can say Soko means near you. Asoko, far away from both you and me. Okay. Kochira means near speaker. Same like Kochira, Sochira, and Achira. For representing directions, we use Kochira, Sochira, Achira. For representing places, we use Koko, Soko, Asoko. Okay, let's see the example. Toire wa Asoko desu. Toire is a katakana form of restroom or toilet. Okay. Asoko desu. Asoko means uh, the place which is far away from both you and me. Over there. Toire wa Asoko desu. The restroom is over there. Watashi no heya. Heya means room. Watashi no heya means my room. Watashi no heya wa koko desu. Koko means near me, like near speaker. So I say my room is her. Watashi no heya wa koko desu. Let's see the third example. Jimusho wa zoko desu. Jimusho means office. The office is there. If I am the speaker, Zoko means the place near you. At the time, I can say Zoko. Zoko desu. Jimusho wa Zoko desu. The office is there. Hope you understood. Noun 1 wa. Noun 2 desu. We already learned this in the previous topic. Uh, let's go through once again. It is used to say where something or someone is located. The noun 1, noun 2, or noun 2 of noun 1. Here, the noun 1 may be things or a person. But the noun 2 in this lesson, the noun 2 will represent the place, location. Okay, let's see the example. Toire wa Asoko desu. Asoko means it represents the place where the restroom is present. Okay, at that time we use wa particle here to connect the two nouns. Toire wa Asoko desu. Asoko, we already know the speakers. If you are the speaker, then you say the toilet is there. Okay, far away from you, far away from speaker, or it is near a listener. Okay, toire wa asoko desu. The restroom is there. Denwa wa nikai desu. Denwa means telephone. Nikai. The kai is used to represent the floor. Ni means second. 2. We already know the numbers. Nikai, second floor. The telephone is on the second floor. Okay. Denwa wa Nikai desu. Here the Nikai, second floor. It represents the place. Okay. The noun 2 represents a place and the noun 1 represents a thing, telephone. That's why we use denwa wa Nikai desu. Let's see the third example. Yamada-san wa jimusho desu. Yamada-san. Here the noun 1 is person. We use wa particle. Jimusho, the place, office is represented. Okay. Mr. Yamada-san is in the office. Okay. Yamada-san wa jimusho desu. He is in office. Okay. Gakko wa koko desu. Gakko means school. Koko near speaker. So I say here. Okay. The school is here. Gakko wa koko desu. Tanaka-san wa gaiki shitsu desu. Gaiki shitsu means meeting room. Okay. Tanaka-san is in his meeting room. Like the Yamada-san in his office. Okay. Noun 1 is a person. Va particle. Gaiki shitsu. It represents the place, meeting room, where the meeting is held. We use desu at the end. Tanaka-san wa gaiki shitsu desu. Mr. Tanaka is in the meeting room. Hope you understood. Let's see. Doko, dochira. The doko is used to ask a question where. In casual way, we use doko. In polite way, we use dochira. To ask where or which direction. Okay, let's see the example. Toire wa doko desu ka? Toilet is, where is the toilet or restroom? Okay, toire wa doko desu ka? Where is the restroom? If you answer it is over there, which is away from you or near the listener means you say asoko desu. It is over there. Let's see the second example. Erebeta wa dochira desu ka? Erebeta means elevator. We use katakana to represent elevator. Erebeta. See, the lines are very important. In exams, they provide options without this. In one option, they provide this only. In another option, they provide this. So try to learn it fully so that it will be helpful for you to clear your exams. Erebeta wa dochira desu ka? Where is the elevator? Here we use a polite form. Okay. How can we answer achira desu? It is on that direction, which is far away from you. So say achira. Okay. If the question is dochira, then you say achira. If it is doko, then use asoko. Hope you understood. Let's move on to the third example. Yamada-san wa doko desu ka? Where is Yamada? Jimusho desu. We use casual way. So you should answer in a casual form. Jimusho desu. This listener may able to know he is in office. Okay. Gakko wa dochira desu ka? Gakko, school. Dochira, where? Where is the school? You ask it in a polite way, right? How can we say koko desu or kochira desu? Okay, anything is fine. Noun 1 no, noun 2. This statement is also learned in previous lesson. It shows ownership, origin, belonging or type. Let's see the example. Kochira wa doko no computer desu ka? Sorry, kore. Okay. Kore wa doko no computer desu ka? Kore means this, right? Doko, where? Computer, which means computer. Okay. We use katakana here. This computer. Doko means where. We are asking a question. Where is this computer made? Koreva doko no computer desu ka? Where is this computer made? You can answer it is made in Japan means Nihon no computer desu. Nihon, the country name, and we add no particle, then computer desu. If it is a company's computer means you add the company name and add no particle computer desu. Nihon no computer desu. It's made in Japan. IMC no computer desu. IMC's computer. Okay. Or in this case, you say Japanese computer. Okay. Uh, let's move on to the second example. Are wa Tanaka-san no kaban desu. Are means that. That is far away from you and me, right? Are wa Tanaka-san no kaban. Kaban means bag. Tanaka-san's bag. That is Tanaka-san's bag. Are wa Tanaka-san no kaban desu. Third example. Kore wa watashi no hon desu. Kore means this. Watashi no hon, my book. Kore means this. This is my book. Kore wa watashi no hon desu. Hope you understood. The O particle is added to show respect when asking about someone's country or company. Okay, here I take example as a country. Kuni means country. We add O before that for representing or giving respect to the country. Okay, Okuni wa dochira desu ka? Dochira means where. In polite way, we use dochira, right? Okuni wa dochira desu ka? Where are you from? Or where is your country? Where it is located? Anything is fine. If you are from Japan, I say Nihon desu. If it is India, Indo desu. Indo desu. I am from India. If you are from Japan, Nihon desu. Anything is fine. Some key points to remember. Koko, Soko, Asoko. And Kochira, Sochira, Achira, and Dochira. The points used to ask her, there to represent places and directions. Noun 1 wa, noun 2 des, showing location of people and things. Doko and dochira is used for asking a question about where in both a casual and in a polite way. The noun 1, no, noun 2, showing belonging or origin. The O is added before the country or the company name, not only for the country or company. For N5 level, it is enough. If we are going to N4, there are some exceptions that have the O particle before the noun. Okay, for that it will be fine. For giving respect to the country or a company. Most of the Japanese people communicate in a polite way. Hope you understood. That's it for the today's lesson on Japanese demonstratives and location expressions. I hope this video was helpful and easy to follow. If you really enjoy it, please like, share and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ja mata ne.